Kenya Medical Supplies Authority Amendment Bill 2021, and to congratulate Senator Naomi Shionga, my neighbor and the next women rep of Kakamega County, and wish her well. Madam Speaker, maybe from the onset, I want to thank her because, Madam Speaker, you remember out of 24 legislations that we went before the High Court, one of the key issues that we contested was the passage of this bill without the concurrence of the Senate. And these were among the 24 legislation. This was part of the 24 legislations that were declared illegal and unconstitutional by the High Court. So what we are simply, Madam Speaker, doing is complying with the Constitution of Kenya and the ruling of the High Court. And Mr. Speaker, it has shown that, and this should go to the National Assembly, that, Madam Speaker, they need to be very careful because the concurrence of bills from both houses is very critical and it's constitutional. The non-concurrence, it will meet its Waterloo in the courts of law. Therefore, Madam Speaker, we are just abiding, and I want to thank Senator Naomi Shionga for bringing this amendment up because we are just complying with the ruling of the High Court and also the Constitution. Madam Speaker, when you look at the section that needs to be dropped or amended or deleted, is that it is that shall. I wish even either lack of wisdom or they should have used the word may so that we give counties option. Madam Speaker, and you know we don't want to create a monster called KEMSA. We have seen the monopoly. KEMSA is a monopoly just like Kenya Power and other institutions that are monopoly. But if you open up, Madam Speaker, and ensure that any person who will want to sell drugs, pharmaceuticals, non-pharmaceuticals to our county governments are going through a rigorous vetting. And of course, Kenya Bureau of Statistics, KEBS, must ensure that they comply with the standards. And then we give opportunity counties to buy these drugs because everywhere you go, governors complain, everybody complain, we don't have drugs. KEMSA has failed to submit drugs. When you go to KEMSA, KEMSA says some of the drugs, the shelf life is very short. They cannot, Madam Speaker, when you go to Kapsabet County Referral Hospital, there are no drugs. You go to Mosoriat Sub-County Hospital, there are no drugs. Kaptumo Sub-County Hospital, Maraba Sub-County Hospital, Chepterwai, Kabiyet Sub-County Hospitals. Madam Speaker, all these most uneven dispensaries do not have regular and steady supply of drugs. And the only argument of county governments have been this section of the Kenya Medical Supplies Act, Madam Speaker. And therefore, by deleting this, we are giving opportunity to counties to procure drugs at their convenience. But of course, I know the wisdom of the National Assembly then was trying to ensure that we close up and ensure that we ensure that the accountability is taken. But they forgot one thing, that health has been devolved. And non-involvement of the Senate, Madam Speaker, brought all this unconstitutionality because, as you are aware, health is fully devolved. So the ignorance of either KEMSA or the Ministry of Health or the National Assembly had caused them. Madam Speaker, we are aware what is happening in KEMSA, and you have seen even a number of donors who work with KEMSA have demanded serious reforms within KEMSA. And you have seen even the CEO and many other government officials have been prosecuted because of the infamous KEMSA billionaires. Unfortunately, the real culprits of what the COVID billionaires that stole in KEMSA have never been brought to book. But we have seen even international partners who work closely with KEMSA have demanded serious and overhaul of operations of KEMSA. And I think what Senator Naomi Shionga has started is part of the reforms that we need to see in KEMSA, Madam Speaker. We don't want the KEMSA to operate in secrecy, like a society that is shrouded in secrecy. And you know, Madam Speaker, when it is every institution that shrouds itself in secrecy, is also secrecy thrives, corruption thrives very well in secrecy, Madam Speaker. We would have expected that KEMSA in its form should be one of the suppliers where county governments can buy from KEMSA or any other entities that have been approved within the procedures that have been provided for, so that they become competitive, Madam Speaker. You know, when If you open up, they will be competitive, Madam Speaker. They will ensure that they become competitive, they give their services adequately.